Hello fam, you're welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you how I prepared this delicious recipe for my family, and it tastes so delicious. That is the reason why I'm sharing with you. So it's rice and also peanut soup or groundnut soup. Okay, so these are some of the ingredients showing, and I will make sure to list all the ingredients under the description below, so please kindly check it out. Okay, all right, so without wasting much of your time, guys, let's go ahead and prepare our delicious dinner. Okay, so in here I'm going in with my chicken. Yes, you can use any protein for this special recipe and it will taste absolutely delicious. So for me, I'm using hard bone chicken or hard chicken. Okay, so right now I'm going to also go in with my spices. Guys, feel free to use any season of your choice. So for me, I added in some chopped onions and also the seasoning. This seasoning contains salt and also chicken seasoning. Okay, so like I said, I'll write all the ingredients, the spices that I use, everything under the video description box, so please kindly check it out. Okay, all right, so if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, but kindly subscribe to the channel so that you are going to have more of my videos. All right, thank you. So moving forward, guys, now I'm going to season this chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure that the seasoning it penetrates very well. Pardon me if my English is not satisfying, but I'm trying my best so that all the foreigners can also hear me. Otherwise, I can also speak my dialects or my language, which is Tree. Okay, I will cover it and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes, I came back to check, but I still have to add some ingredients. So I'm going to turn it a bit. You know, if you are making chicken soup or any meat you are using, make sure that the season that you are using is going to penetrate into the bone so that any bites of the meat is going to taste absolutely delicious. So as you can see, after the onions, I also go in with the natural spices that I've shown in the video, which is garlic, ginger, and chili plus onions. Okay, so I blended everything together and I added into the chicken. So I'm going to cover it again and make it simmer again for about 5 minutes more. All right, so right now I'll go in with the tomato paste. So after that, I will also go in with the granules or the blended peanuts. Okay, yeah, so just give it a little bit stir so that it will not stick into the bottom, you know. Yes, so after that you just cover it and let it cook. Ma adie mu achi sene beya ebeyete ebusiafo. Yes. So if you watch all my videos or my old videos, you can find different types of groundnut soup or peanut soup that I prepared previously. This is one of them. This is the easiest way. So as you can see, I also go in with the peanut butter and a bit of water. So here I'm going to give it a stir and let everything combined correctly, or mix everything correctly in there so that you know so what I say, then you cover it and let it cook so well before I'll go in with more water to make the soup. All right, so guys, now I see some oil coming around. That means the peanut butter has cooked through. So I'm going to, you know, give it a little bit stir and then go ahead and add more water to make the soup, guys. All right, so at this point, I will take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers and my viewers. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel and supporting the channel. May God bless you. And also, if you are new here and you are not subscribing to the channel, what are you waiting for? If you are watching the video till now, you are not subscribing, kindly do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification, and also share my videos to your platform, wherever, Facebook, anywhere. Share the video to your family members so that they will also support my channel. Thank you so much for doing so. And please, if you are watching my video, do not forget to give me thumbs up and also your comments. This will encourage me to give you more videos. Thank you so much and God bless you. All right, so at this point, I also go in with a chili pepper, emako, and tomatoes. Yes, and embema and kwano ayedem, and also one more onions for taste. All right, so guys, I'm going to cover it and let it cook before I will go ahead and blend all these ingredients and put it in back. Okay, so please don't go anywhere. We are almost done. All right, so now I'm going to cook my rice because I want the soup and the rice to be ready at the same time. So I'm using rice cooker to prepare my rice, just in case you need this rice cooker. Maybe check my video description. I will pin it there. It will take you straight to the shop. Okay. All right, and voila, look at the soup. It looks so beautiful. It looks so amazing, guys. The aroma in this house, it's everything. So guys, at this point, I need to keep quiet. I'm going to blend the pepper and also the tomatoes, the onion, all the remaining ingredients that I added into the soup. I'm going to blend it and add it back into the soup. So please don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so the soup is almost done, but I would just go ahead and check the rice, the situation of the rice. Okay, so now the rice is also done. As you can see, it looks perfect. Yes, that is how I like the rice, the texture. It will go well with the soup. You know, we are in winter, so all we need is hot food. It doesn't matter what kind of food, but all the meal that you eat, make sure it is hot. Okay, so far as you are home, you are back home with your family, try to find something hot to eat because the weather is so bad. It's snowing since yesterday till now, so please keep yourself warm wherever you are. Guys, the rice look perfect. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to dish myself and my family. Then the recipe is coming to an end. But please don't go anywhere. We are not done yet.